Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel. And are you talking like a puppet? I thought I saw your mouth moving while I was talking, so Ava. Stop. My name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. I am here tonight with my daughter Ava. Hi Ava. To share day number 21 of Vlogmas. To those of you who are new, welcome. We're super happy to have you here. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. We truly appreciate your support. So, real quick before we get started, a little bit about what we are doing for Vlogmas this year. Ava and I are sharing multiple advent calendars, and then I am sharing my top WW favorites with you guys. I would say my top 25 WW favorites, but I'm sure you've noticed I've been sharing a lot more than that. So, sorry guys, I just have so much I want to tell you about. I will put a timestamp down below next to the advent calendar content and the WW content. So if you only want to watch one or the other, you can jump directly to it. However, if you would like to stay for the entire video, we would truly appreciate it because every minute we get to spend with you really helps our channel. All right, Ava, what calendar are we starting with today?
I just have to say something. If you hear that scratching sound, it's hope.
Yes, we have Ava's hedgehog with her again, so if you hear a scratching noise, that is her. So what advent calendar are we starting with?
Cheese.
Cheese, day 21 of cheese, and what do we have?
Another applewood.
Oh, is it the applewood smoked? Let me try.
No.
Oh no, this is vintage applewood. This is a new one. We haven't tried this one. The last one that we had was a smoked applewood. This is vintage. I wonder if you're gonna like it. Vintage makes me think that it is like a sharp cheddar flavor. It is, but it's good. I don't know if you'll like it or not though.
Missed it.
What do you think? Good? I love the applewood flavors for sure. Now it is my turn to share day number 21 of my 24 days of cheering.
Is it hot chocolate?
I don't know if it's going to be hot chocolate, but we're going to look at day 21 in my Keurig advent calendar.
No.
All right, this is Donut Shop Duos. So nutty caramel flavored coffee. Sweet. Ava, which one are you doing next?
The bath bomb. I would show you it.
12 days of bath bombs. We got this one at Aldi's. And again, we don't know what scents they are. We just kind of have to guess because the box doesn't tell us anywhere.
We got a bath bomb.
What color? Green?
Green.
What scent is it, you think? You don't know? I really have no idea. Well, I think lime. What do you think?
Lime.
You think so?
Yeah.
It smells kind of citrusy. Okay. Let's do 21 of our 12 days of glow. These are face masks. I thought they were sheet masks when I got it, but they're not. And we are on the hunt for that rose gummy bear one they promised us for day 2 that we didn't get.
If you see this video,
If Freeman sees the video, you guys owe us a rose gummy bear face mask.
Oh no.
That's okay. Oh, this one looks nice. Okay, so we have a Freeman Polishing Charcoal Black Sugar Gel Mask and Scrub. Ooh, I can feel the scrub. Feel that. You can feel it. I love a good scrub. Let's feel that.
Oh, you can.
Isn't that cool? Very happy to have that one, even though Ava is somewhat hesitant. Boy, our advent calendars are looking pretty tired, aren't they?
I'm doing crafts, but I don't want to show the box because they might fall out.
12 days of crafts, yeah. Well, let's try. Here, look. We'll hold it together. Here's what our box looks like for this. Sorry, Ava. Gee whiz. What did we get?
And this one is...
Looks like a stocking. Or mitten, maybe? Oh, it's a stocking. Look, I found it.
What day is it? It's day 9. I picked up day 9's crafts because I could not find day 8.
So, this is what day 9 looks like right here. It's a cute little stocking ornament. All right, let's find day number 21 in my glossy box calendar. Ooh, it's a big and heavy one.
Oh, it smells good.
21.
I think it's lavender scented.
Look how heavy it is. Thank you for putting my finger in your nose. That was absolutely disgusting. There's 2 things in it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No. No.
Calm down, lady.
Me? You're the one who said no. Okay, so our 2 things. We have a VitaBrid C12 Dual Mask Deep Hydration and Moisture. That's what this looks like. Let me read about this because I'm not quite sure what I'm even looking at. So we've got the face mask here, which I already showed you. And then we've got this right here. This says it's a VitaBrid C12 Facial Boosting Water Treatment Essential Toner. So I guess they're just in the same box because they're the same product, but they're not required to use together. So cool. We like face masks here, don't we?
Yeah.
I say that all the time as I just opened 12 days worth, so. We are here to celebrate day number 22 of Vlogmas with you. All right, Abe, so let's go ahead and check out day 22, and we are doing our 24 days of cheese that we got from Sam's Club.
I found it. She did it. I did.
Yes. I was on a hunt since November for a cheese advent calendar at Aldi's. I've been looking forward to it since last year, and they never had it. Not at our stores. But then we found this one, so we were happy. What do we have? Vintage cheddar. I'm going to try it, but you're not going to try it, are you?
I am. It's a new one.
Yeah, it is new. I thought they only had 9 different kinds of cheese in here, but I feel like we've gotten a lot more flavors than that.
We got doubles of some of them.
You'll like it. It's a dry cheese. Oh, it's got the deep cheddar aftertaste. Hold on. Let's rinse it down with a little bit of watered down coffee.
Look, I swallowed it.
While she is rinsing her mouth out with my coffee, I am going to show you day number 22. Ava, stop. Day number 22 in my 24 days of K-Cup. You okay there, girl?
Yeah.
She's okay.
What does it talk? I put touch right through that cheese.
Day number 22.
No.
Here's what the calendar's looking like so far. And she's already disappointed because it's Green Mountain and it is Nantucket Blend Medium Roast Coffee. Sorry, Abe. We're gonna have to go buy you some hot chocolate, aren't we? Oh, quit with the whining. You're so neglected. You never get nothing. All right, what are we doing next? Bath bombs?
Yeah.
All right. 24 days of bath bombs. Bath bombs. Bath bombs.
It's open.
This is a toy. It is a toy one.
What the tweezers?
We knew there were prizes in these bath bombs, and we have come upon one.
It's pretty.
This is adorable.
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
No, it's not. Show them the prize. In the middle is a
This is-
snowman.
It's
Hold it still there. Good grief.
just part of the bath.
Hurricane Ava. Yeah, it is part of the bath bomb. It'll dissolve. I don't know what it smells like. It smells clean. All right, guys. Let's see what we have for our next 12 days of glow face mask. Do you think I'm going to get my rose gummy bear? I think it just doesn't exist. I think that's all there is to it. This one does look pretty. This is a hydrating glacier water and pink peony gel cream face mask. There we go. That one looks really pretty. Really pretty. I love the flower details on that. Ava, you ready to join us again and show us day 22 of your crafts?
Don't mind me calling on the hello.
Here's what this butchered advent calendar looks like. Sorry, Ava.
He killed it.
Come over this way.
We murdered it.
Yeah, we kind
I'm
of
so
not
sorry.
demolish the box. We got this at Target, and it is super cute. Well, yes, it is geared towards younger kids. We still like it. Here's what the craft packaging looks like. And this is going to be
Not hitting
this
on the
Christmas
face.
ornament right here. That's going to be super cute, huh?
Yeah,
creeper. Now, let's check out the big kahuna, day number 22 of my Glossy Box Advent Calendar.
Cheese.
All right, this is what 22 looks like. Ava, what you doing? You feeling dancy? Happy if you know it? Happy and you know it?
I'm singing some great beats in my head.
Oh, We're gonna have some opening music. Too far?
Yeah.
This is why you don't want me chaperoning your dances, because my mad dance skills intimidate you,
I
don't they?
haven't had it yet. If I do, I hope my boyfriend
No.
asks me out.
Ava, guess what brand this is?
Elf.
Or I have been wanting to try this brand for a long time, but it is
Okay.
very expensive. Nope. 111 Skin. Was I not just talking about this?
No.
111 Skin, guys. In my hands. What is it? It is a restorative cleansing balm. Ooh, look. My very first 111 Skin product. Note this. Write it down. This is YouTube history for Chaos Jen. Her very first 111 Skin product. And it does have a safety seal on it. Don't be growing up before your very eyes. What? Well, what do you want me to do?
She needs to go somewhere.
I need to calm down.
Calm down.
Drink another coffee. Okay. 111 Skin, Ava. 111 Skin. High five. Yeah.
You
All
gave
right.
me coffee
Let-
for my bedtime.
Let's see what my WW favorite is for day number 22. All right, guys, we're back. Ava's gonna close out the video for us. Let's
Happy
do it,
holidays
girl.
and Keep smiling.
That's the very end of it, but thank you very much for watching. We truly appreciate all of your support. If you haven't already,
Subscribe and like.
you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe
now.
button right now. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Don't throw stuff at them. They're our friends. Well, maybe not after this fancy video, but anyways, guys, we hope you have a fantastic evening or morning or whatever time of day it is for you. Control yourself, girl.
Yes.
And now's your big chance. Until next time, guys,
Keep smiling and happy holidays.
happy holidays and keep smiling.
You should edit some sick beats into this.
Bye, guys. I am a sick beat. Oh, wait, go.
And I really hope my friends aren't watching this.
Well,
Bye.
don't mind us. We're just the chaoses.